session. Come on, everyone. Please follow. Kids can come forward. Kids come forward.
ग्रुपनी गोवन वार्ता, गोवन पेपर ह्या लोकांनी हे ऑर्गनाईज केलेलं आहे. अँड इतकं छान इव्हेंट आहे की जिथे फॅमिली एकत्र धावू शकते. मुलं आपल्या आजीबरोबर किंवा वडिलांबरोबर, आई वडील फॅमिली पूर्ण धावून एकत्र क्वालिटी टाईम स्पेंड करून एकामेकांच्या हेल्थसाठी केअर करणार असं दिसतं आहे. छान वाटलं आहे फार. व्हेरी नाईस इव्हेंट. आणि ॲज अ पर्सन, ॲज अन एज्युकेशनिस्ट, ॲज अ सोशल वर्कर, आजकालच्या टेक्नॉलॉजिकल आणि डिजिटल वर्ल्डमध्ये किंवा द वर्ल्ड दॅट वी आर लिव्हिंग इन, द वर्ल्ड इज कम्प्लिटली अ डिजिटलाइज्ड वर्ल्ड, एज आय से. We don't find time for each other. We have found that husband is messaging his wife on the WhatsApp if she's in the kitchen and he's in the bedroom, and the children are seated on a dining table but they are not looking at their parents and talking. So this is a very wonderful event where we are seeing that father, mother, a child or a grandmother or a grandfather run together, where they are going to think of the values of upbringing and also that they are supposed to care for their family member. I'm really very happy to be the chief guest for this event, and I wish each and every family all the best and a wonderful era that Famathon has begun today.
गोवन वार्ता आणि द गोवन हांच्यातर्फे केल्ली ही फॅमेथॉन खूप यशस्वी झाली. म्हणजे भरपूर प्रतिसाद मिळाला. आमच्या अपेक्षेपेक्षा चढ लोकांनी प्रतिसाद दिलो आणि लोकांचा उत्साह दिसलो. म्हणजे खूप 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 लोक आयले आणि बेसिकली लोक पीपल आर अवेअर अबाउट द फिटनेस हो एक भाग हातूंच्यान दिसता. हांगा भुरगीं, मिडल एजवाले, ओल्ड एजवाले सुद्धा, म्हणजे काही सिनियर सिटीजन सुद्धा पार्टिसिपेट झाले. इट वॉज नाईस टू सी. आणि तिन्ही ग्रुपांनी म्हणजे 1 किलोमीटर, 3 किलोमीटर आणि 5 किलोमीटर ह्या ग्रुपांनी पार्टिसिपेट जावपी खूप लोक असले आणि सगळेच म्हणजे लेडीज, जेंट्स, भुरगीं ह्या सगळ्यांच्या पार्टिसिपेशनान हो इव्हेंट नक्कीच यशस्वी झाला. आणि ह्या निमित्तान, ह्या इव्हेंटाच्या निमित्तान आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या लोकांपर्यंत पावपाक यशस्वी झाले. हे ह्या फॅमेथॉनाचे यश. धावप हे सिंबॉलीक असले हांव म्हणटा, पण त्याच बरोबर डेली धावप किंवा जॉग करप किंवा वॉक करप किंवा कांयच नाजाल्यार काही एक्सरसायजीस करप हे बऱ्या आरोग्याचे किंवा चांगले बऱ्या हेल्थाचे लक्षण किंवा त्याची गरज ही आम्ही ह्या हातूंच्यान, ह्या इव्हेंटांतल्यान हायलायट केली आणि म्हाका दिसता लोकांपर्यंत आमचो मेसेज नक्की पावला आसतलो.
या रेसीक हांव फर्स्ट येयला आनी हेज्या पयलीं खुबश्यो मॅरेथॉन धांवला. तितूनूय फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड पोझिशन गावतात. स्टेट लेवलाची 4 मेडल आहा. हे मॅरेथॉन प्रुडंट मिडिया, वार्ता गोवान ऑर्गनायज केल्ले. धांवपाक बरें दिसलें कित्याक हे खुबशे इव्हेंट जाता तितून धांवता बरें दिसता. कंपाल ग्रावंड स्टार्टींग पॉयंट आहलो. हांगाच्यान ऑडीचो शोरूम टर्नींग पॉयंट आहलो आमचो. टर्नींग पॉयंट घेवन परतून हांगा येवपाचें आहलें. तितून हांव फर्स्ट पावलो. 5 किलोमिटराची रेस आसली.
The event was very good, well organized, and this is the first time I'm attending a family marathon. But previously I've attended as a single. Nice to be here.
5 kilometers complete केले.
सगळे बरेच तुका डेली करतात धावता तू
ना
एक्सरसाइज करता घराकडे
Too good. It was too good, inspiring. We both inspired each other. We could do it. 5 kilometers. I've been running
Easily.
before, but she's the first time runner. But she could do it. She's
Thanks
saying
to
I'm
my
the inspiration,
friend.
but her self-confidence helped her a lot.
Thank you.
Not
No,
tired
not at
all.
all.
We could. I wanted to attempt 10 kilometers this time, but there was no option.
नव्या पिढीक
We are now growing old, but we don't feel like we are still young. But the youngsters should try
their
take all
best,
the
pain
competition and all
and
this.
compete with others.
Compete with others. It helps build their own body and
confidence
body.
too.
Yeah.
अशें करप तुमी सदांच अशें भुरग्यां खातीर बी ती धांवना कोण व्यायाम करिना आनी तांकां हें बरें आसा अशें दिसता म्हाका.
तुम्ही किती किलोमीटर राहिले
आमी कंप्लीट धांवन आयले हांव म्हणजे कंप्लीट तुमी सांगिल्ले ते 3 किलोमिटर्स
वय वर्ष किती?
माझे 60 क्रॉस.
आयच्या रनाक हांवूय धांविल्लो हो म्हजो पयलो मॅरेथॉन आशिल्लो. हाज्या खातीर हांवें एटलिस्ट 2 वीक प्रॅक्टीस केल्ली. फर्स्ट मॅरेथॉन म्हणल्यार हांव तितलोच एक्सायटेड आशिल्लो कित्याक आमचे कितलेच जे फ्रेंड्स आसा तांच्यांनी आमकां सांगिल्लें ते 21 किलोमिटर धांवता पण इतले यंग आसून आमचे कडेन एक 5 किलोमिटर सुद्दां धांवपाक जायना ही शेमा खातीर आमी भुरग्यांक मोटिवेट केलो आमच्या युवांतल्या भुरग्यांक मोटिवेट करून आमी 2 वीक प्रॅक्टीस करून ह्या मॅरेथॉनाक धांविल्ले. बेजिकली मॅरेथॉन बरो ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आनी अशेंच मॅरेथॉनाक खूब लोकांनी धांवपाक जाय बिकॉज मोर दॅन एनी अदर एक्सरसायज रनिंग इज अ व्हेरी गूड थिंग बिकॉज जर तूं रनिंग करत रावलो तुजे हेल्थ तुजे ऑर्गन्स तुजे सगळे बॉडी पार्ट्स हेल्दी उरता.
Super. Enjoyed. Tell how you enjoyed it.
Awesome.
खूप आवडले आमकां कित्याक वी वर व्हेरी एक्सायटेड स्पेशली बिकॉज द किड्स तांच्यांनी आमकां आनीक धांवयले. So it was a very good event. I mean, for us it was the first time participating, so it was great.
Hi.
Did you enjoy?
My name is Chloe.
We had a very good time with the kids. It was fun. I'm happy to be here. I think it's worth it. Yeah, we've come from Ponda. We've started early. We've come with the friends, and this is our first time in Goa doing this marathon with the kids. So it's been very exciting for us. Very happy.
This was a very awesome experience. This is my first marathon with my son, and I'll tell you it was amazing experience. I think we should have this family marathon more often because where there is fitness, there is the family. It remains fit. It's good for their future.
And this is my first marathon, and I am feeling very nice to participate in this program. And every year I want to participate in this program. Thank you.
Yeah, very beautiful. Like this for elderly people, you have some function where you can awaken the younger generation to obey and respect and take care of them with love.
मेन म्हटल्यार असो इव्हेंट म्हाका दिसता पयल्या फावटी गोंयांत जाला आनी हांव गोवन वार्ता भांगारभूंय आनी प्रुडंट मिडियाक शुभेच्छा दिता की असो इव्हेंट तेंच्यांनी ज्या प्रमाणे फॅमिली टुगेदर रन केलो तांकां एक प्रोत्साहन दिलें फॅमिलीक कारण आयज पळयता की आयच्या युगान ज्या धांवपळीन आमी जें काम करता आनी फॅमिली वांगडा टायमूय दिवंक पावना म्हटल्यार एका ह्या माध्यमांतसून आमी वांगडा एक मॅरेथॉन कशी धांवपाक मेळ्ळी आनी आयज गरज आसा की वॉकिंग करपाची कारण आयज हेल्थ इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल प्ले करता आनी असो बरो इव्हेंट आनी दर वर्सा करचो आणि प्रत्येक गोंयकारान आणि प्रत्येक मनशान ह्या हितून भाग घेवचो.
Yes, this marathon has been very well organized and we are thankful to the organizers. It gave us a chance to run and I feel everybody should do it. Yes.
My first marathon, in fact, Famithon, and I'm very happy. I ran 3 kilometers, jogging all the way, and Zumba has upped my stamina, and that's why I could do it.
I want to thank the organizers. It is for the Goan family, and I think they would do better next time also, and it may continue.
It's amazing to be a part of this, and I feel it should have been more, I think, kilometers, and it was really fun. In fact, more events should be held, and I would thank the organizers for having us and giving all of us a chance.
And I feel very charming, and this type of event it should be given up more support from outside also. And we are very happy that Famithon started in Goa, and it was very cheerful at 6 o'clock when we came here. It was very helpful to us to do continue this. We will give you full support.
काली रातों में काटी थी ये जिंदगी, अटक के भागो बेटे ऐसे कभी हुआ नहीं, जीते बगैर आराम का सवाल नहीं, अब बचन पार्टी टॉप के पर बवाल नहीं, छोटे बड़े को यहाँ दिया है ज्ञान, आड़ी आती है मेरी ऐसी नस्ल की जबान नहीं, दिन रात वक्त काट पीट पाट सर फाड़ दर्द मात दर्दनाक जीतू हाड़ खेलू बात सब लोग बात कहते एक करते साथ रोते पीछे रहते थाट बात एक मिला झाड़ सबाशी मुंह पर तीच बातें, हाँ सलाह है इनके मुंह पे लाते सच, आंखें खुली रातें काटे सोचे कल के अस्तित्व बाटे, हाँ मैं अब खो रहा सबर, नाकामयाबी का मुझ पे अब हो रहा असर, ऐ खुदा पहुंचा जा पहुंचाना था या अभी मार दे इधर। I work hard but it's worthless, nobody cares if I bleed, everybody's wearing a mask, it's sad hotel.
So we are starting with the lucky draw first, okay? We have the vouchers sponsored by Club Mahindra. Come on everyone, look at your bib, look at the number. Only one. And the number is 5212. Who's that lucky person? Wow, we have a full family here together. The lucky family, first family, sponsored by Club Mahindra.
It's great to see all the kids running with their mothers and fathers, and I think this is a great concept. The Famathon, first time in Goa, and getting everybody into the running, and that's what at the Rise Army we are promoting. The same thing is get high on life, get high on sports, get high on music, get high on anything that makes you happy, and just say no to drugs, lead a good happy life. And I think one of the ways is just to run every day, even if it's 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers or 5 kilometers, and believe me, the adrenaline will still pumping and you'll get a natural high, and that high will be much better than drugs or alcohol or anything else. I wish all the participants of this Famathon really a really good year of running and a really happy year.